Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create community portal in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to go to setup and we need to click here, we access to setup, and after that we need just to go to digital experience. So we just type digital and here we will find the digital experience. We go to settings and after that we need to enable digital experience, and now we need just to enter the domain name. So basically, if you have other domain names, you can choose from them. And I'm just going to click on save and click on OK. And now that you have enabled your digital experience, you will be able. And now we need just to go to role user settings. And basically, we need simply we need to go back to our sites, and from here you can start creating your community portal. And we need just to click on new, and from there you can choose any experience you'd like. And basically you can choose either these templates or any templates that you would like. So from here you can click on get started, so you can start using these templates. You can choose the name and also the domain or the prefix. So from here, I'm just going to name it commune, and from here you can just do a QQ and click on create, and now your customizable site will be created and you can start editing from it or customizing it on however you like it. So basically this is how you can create a community portal in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.